Hi Philip, just like to see your IC-251 all up and running. Receive working fine. Okay, just like to see a test result. I'll run it again for you. Okay, so it's, you see that jumping down. 0.1 microvolts, neg 126 dB on FM there, so FM receives all back up and running again. The transmit, there we go, okay, 10 watts at 35 Hz off frequency, that's nothing at all. Okay, you see the deviation there, about 5, but it should be. Alright, now got the sideband receive sorted out, which was another issue. Okay, run up a sideband, ignoring the coffee. I'll just up the audio one up. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what's the feedback? 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then again on lower sideband, just pop on to lower. Okay, got to change that obviously. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio. Okay. Okay, so that's that. So I'll turn the volume down now. Switch that one off, don't need that. Now, the switches, be gentle, they do work, alright, but they're not perfect, okay. That's obviously working, transmit's working, okay, that was already okay. So these three were okay, but this one, okay, a bit stiff, that one, bit light, that one, not too bad, alright. They're repaired, okay, but they're not perfect, okay, so just be gentle with them, that's all I'll say, alright. Other than that, she's ready to go, she's on frequency, she's working, what more can I say? Cheers buddy, bye now.